I'm Ariel Nissenblatt.
I'm Ned Donovan.
This is Daily Tips that may or may not help you with Ariel and Ned, and it is currently Tuesday, February 20th, 2024. Ned, you have a tip for us, and it's all about commitment, or lack of commitment.
It is a commitment tip. And viewers, this may come as a surprise to you. For anyone who knows me, I actually jump into things very hard. But
that is how this podcast started.
That's true. I have a fear of commitment, of specifically putting things on my walls. Really stresses me out that there will be a hole in my wall and it won't be good. And if ever I decide to change the thing, but that hole gets screwed, now I have to find a new place to hang it, so there's just a permanent hole in my wall. Really stresses me out. Big stress reliever is test run things with command strips. Put a command strip on your wall, stick the thing to your wall. It won't last forever, but it will last long enough for you to go, I liked that. Put a nail in the wall, now you've hung the thing. Command strips before nails, try things out. That's the tip of the day.
Boom.
Boom.
Catch you tomorrow.
Bye.